this is engravings, but it's really hard to see. It is out here, this. I hope you can see it. You see that? This stuff, this is engravings. It's really difficult to see, but over here they explain what it is. Mythological figure common on rock drawings in Araba. A hunter throwing a boomerang, throwing a lasso. Ibex is these animals, ostriches probably, yes. And chariots. And a desert hunting dog. It is out there. And then over here there's more. All the text is gone. But this is how they climbed upwards. They made a hole for their foot to put in, and then they could climb upwards. And then they made small holes. And that's what you see here. How they would climb upwards. Wow. It was a dangerous job. The chariot's shaft. So here is where the chariots are. Is that so? I see something over here, but it looks modern. Well, you could climb up there. You can't see it. You need a very good eye to spot this stuff. Right. Here you can see something, but it's really hard to spot. Yeah, you can see it. So there's this animal. And there's this one, and there, and this should be a chariot, and maybe this, I don't know, like this should be a chariot, and there's people here. This is the chariot with the two guys on it and a bow and two wheels. There's a lot more here. I think they gathered this from all around the area, maybe. That looks like a human. And camels. So this is replicas from selected rock art from the Negev and neighboring deserts. So these holes in here, like there, are mining shafts. Filled up with sand. Look, man, it is as if I am in Red Dead Redemption. Woo! I'm just in the middle of a desert. Well, I'm heading for fossil trees. So here is the fossil tree. Like this, that you can see that it's a tree, but there's a lot of sand on it. But and here's another one, also covered by a lot of sand. I don't think you can see anything here. Like this. It is a fossil tree. I was a long way walking to get here. I thought it was just by the side of the road, but That was Salamo's Pillars. That's how they call them. I'm not very talkative, but that's because I'm a little bit dizzy and because of my toes. There's something like an oasis or a lake. That's where we're going now. Timna Oasis. Even with fountains. Wow. And a restaurant, but this is more like a touristic area. Well guys, I think that's it. I'm not gonna fly here. I hope you liked the video. I hope you like the desert and the copper mines, and see you on the next one. I hope I'm better then, but we'll see.